Okay guys, play the glow recipe game with me. So I have a ton of glow recipe products, but I don't have like a ton. I just have like these. And then these mini dewdrops, so I have 4. But this Tree Hut scrub smells exactly like the dewdrops. So we're gonna try. I'm gonna blindfold myself and try to guess which one is which. And I just got this brand new, so I don't even know what it smells like. So that's gonna be hard, but let's do this. So I'm gonna go ask my mom for help.
I don't smell anything, so I think that's the new cleanser that I have. Oh, wait! The glow recipe. Oh, wait, hold on. Glow recipe. I think that's stronger the scent, so I'm gonna go Tree Hut. Oh, I got it right!
Bye guys.